Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can show outlines in your designs, files and projects on Figma. So let us get started right away. So let me go that example file here with that example design. So basically guys, what you will need to do is click into that Figma icon in the top left corner to access the main menu. And from here, hold your mouse over view, and here to the right, hover your mouse over outlines and click into show outlines, or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+O, or if you're using a Mac, of course, use the shortcut Command+Shift+O. And that's basically it. Let me click into it, and that is going to show all outlines in your design. So let me undo that really quickly by pressing Ctrl+Z or Z on my keyboard, or simply click into view here again and outlines, and after that use that shortcut Ctrl+Shift+O. So let me do that. And there you go. So that's how you show outlines on Figma. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.